With this scene, so my primer pump going through in my van. Right now I on work, so I go to the parts place. I had to buy food and I need some shade to change that filter. So let me see if we can do that on my lunch break. Right now I'm going to see if I can get that primer pump. So here we go. Chronicles of the old Hilux. My trusty steed. We will get you fixed. I already have the filter here. I know I needed to change the filter, so I just buy the filter, but then I see the pump is the problem. So alright, I got the part. So now it's just to find a cool place that I could work on my van. I have this idea by this food place. So it have this big nice tree. So there we go. If you're from south, deep south, you will know here. What's that big nice tree now, like? It basically saying, Ashton, come, fix your van over here. Get out of the sun. Don't mind the people. That's what we shall do. Put you in gear. Alright, so this is what clogged up in the van. This pump here. So it was all the way down and it was not coming up for nothing. But then end up taking out the filter, and when I put it back in, the pump come up and it work like normal. But I, as a man, rather be safe than sorry, so I paid $200 for this silver piece. This was like $60, and this bottom piece was like $60. So yeah, maybe I'll have some lunch there. Nice shade. So just gonna unbolt here and swap it out. But boy, we're gonna take a little 5, yes? You mustn't let things bring you down, man. You must find a way. Look at the beauty and the peace. This is a nice house.
Now when we say dig up all with fork, we don't eat it now. Straight to the heart. Hear me now. Show me. Lord to mercy. All sexy girls, I want them broke out or open out, whatever it may be. Why? Say we no capers, and we no take back no taco. Have to dig up the girl them all with fork. We no capers, and we no take back no taco. Have to dig up the girl them all with fork. Last girl me all her name.
I will sweat down by, but I think I done. Right? This is a nice view, boy. I'm real grateful for this tree. This is the old pump here. New thing here. This is a different design, so I had to drill a little hole and make this a little neater, but I pump it up. Now is for the moment of the truth. Will it start? Like a dream. Start right up. I'll leave it to run a little bit. Yeah, she building up now. like, what?
Hey, that was a little pressure, boy. Really. I got man just sweat like.
Yeah, son. What you get?
Have mercy to me, no capers. I me no take back no talk. Happy dig up the gal them all with me fuck me no capers.